Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bowling balls is probably one of the most important pieces of equipment for any bowler, impacting everything from hook potential and lane reaction to pin action and overall control. Choosing the right ball can significantly elevate your game, transforming your average scores and adding a new level of excitement to your bowling experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding the nuances of different bowling balls is key to unlocking your full potential on the lanes. Number 5. Hammer Black Widow 2.0. It has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of performance and accuracy. You can trust it to deliver consistent results on the lanes. This ball utilizes the innovative 22 Hong Kong dollars base resin and aggression hybrid additive package. This combination provides enhanced length and a more defined back-end reaction. It features the renowned gas mask core, delivering the familiar Black Widow reaction and reliable carry you've come to expect. Get ready for consistent strikes. The new 22 Hong Kong dollars base material provides vibrant, eye-catching colors and an incredibly responsive back-end reaction. Experience a whole new level of performance. It's backed by a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Enjoy worry-free bowling. What we like. This ball has undergone rigorous testing, ensuring its accuracy. It provides a sharper backhand reaction than its predecessor, leading to more strikes. If you value precision and a powerful finish, this is the ball for you. What people say. First new ball in 25+ years. I bowled on a men's commercial league in the mid-90s. My average then was 148, I haven't bowled for about 15 years now. I have had this ball since its release. My average is now 185. This ball is incredible. I picked the 15-pound because I'm now 52 years old. Let's face it, my back isn't what it used to be. This thing hooks like crazy, but is also controllable enough to come up the back and get a pretty straight roll out of it also. I'm a left-handed bowler, who on the advice of the local pro shop tech went on the search for a good hybrid ball. I chose the Black Widow based primarily on the Amazon reviews. I'm happy to report after a full year of use, summer and winter league with 3 tournaments, this has become my primary ball. The rev rate is a little better than my hard ball and the good pin action makes my off shots off the mark much more forgiving. I just recently got this ball, 6 days ago. Since using it, I have noticed a positive impact on my game. I use 10 pounds house balls and this 13 pounds that has been drilled from my fingers doesn't strain my arm more, but delivers much more pin striking power in the racks. Allows me to get much more hook than a house ball, but I feel like I am in control of my throw still, mostly at least. Number 4. Ebonite Envision Pearl. Introducing the Envision Pearl, the newest addition to Ebonite's high-performance line. It's designed to help you dominate the lanes. This ball uses a revolutionary 22 Hong Kong dollars cover stock, the first of its kind from Ebonite and Brunswick, featuring a unique smooth finish for exceptional control. With its 3000 CR finish, it provides a great reaction, perfect for league bowlers and tournament players alike. It bridges the gap between control and power. It features Dynamicore outer core technology, mimicking a thick shell for incredible power and durability. This innovative core delivers more hitting power and a satisfying sound. The Envision Pearl comes with a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It boasts a unique smooth, non-shiny finish, a first for its brand. The durable outer core ensures long-lasting performance and hitting power. If you're looking for a consistent and reliable ball for league play, this is a great option. Number 3. Storm Phaze II. Get ready to experience the next level in bowling performance. It's engineered for power and control on the lanes. Let's take a closer look. Note its impressive size and sleek design. It measures 21.59 centimeters in length, and 22.86 centimeters in both width and height. Perfectly sized for optimal performance. This isn't just a bowling ball, it's a precision instrument. It's built to last and help you dominate the lanes. With its exceptional design and performance, you'll be amazed at how it improves your game. Grab yours today. What we like. This product is categorized as sporting goods and has dimensions of 21.59 cm x 22.86 cm x 22.86 cm. More information is needed to provide a detailed promotion. If you need a ball with these specifications, consider this option. What people say. The Phaze II is hands-on the best ball in my bag. I know it will always let me know where to start no matter the lane conditions. I used it yesterday for the first time and I can't remember ever being this excited about a ball. Storm, you got it right with this ball, and though I dropped down to a 13 pounds ball, the hitting power and carry was unbelievable. I really love the way this ball can get down the lane and break into the pocket like it's supposed to do, in any condition. Number 2. Brunswick Rhino Bowling Ball. Get ready to experience consistent strikes with the new Brunswick Rhino. Its unique design makes it perfect for lighter oil conditions, providing a smooth and reliable reaction every time. It features a 500 Sierra Crown Factory compound Crown Factory Polish finish. This ensures a clean and consistent ball reaction, ideal for those new to bowling. The Rhino's light bulb symmetrical core is time-tested and provides a smooth, consistent reaction on the lanes. You can always count on its performance. This ball is built to last with its durable R16 reactive cover stock. Available in solid reactive and pearl reactive versions, it's ready for anything. Light oil conditions? No problem. It's designed to excel on lighter oil patterns, giving you the control and power you need for great scores. The Rhino offers a great value for beginner bowlers. Experience the difference a high-quality, dependable bowling ball can make in your game. What we like. It offers a very clean and consistent ball reaction, perfect for lighter oil conditions. Its smooth reaction makes it easy to control. If you are a beginner bowler seeking a great value ball, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It does provide some hook, but it's not too aggressive. It might be more aggressive on drier lanes. Great ball and good value. Using as a spare ball. I had it drilled fingertip with inserts. I throw a hard hook, it does hook good but starts earlier. Ball is easy to control, and holds nice for 10-pin spares on a right-hand bowler, instead of breaking hard left-right before, less gutter risk. All in all, a great ball. After years of throwing curves with a straight ball, it is taking me some time to adjust my throw because this ball is super reactive and really grips the lane. It cuts hard close to the pins, so I just need some time to adjust. Love the look of this ball, a great value. Number 1. Hammer Black Widow Viz-A-Ball. Get ready to experience bowling like never before. This ball is engineered for power and precision on the lanes. With its 15-pound weight, it delivers a massive hit. Feel the impact and dominate the game. It's built to last. The durable polyester construction ensures it can handle countless strikes. The innovative gas mask core provides exceptional energy transfer. Watch it cut through the pins with ease. The smooth polyester cover stock offers a consistent reaction. Enjoy predictable hook and pin action. The Crown Factory polish enhances its performance. It's meticulously crafted for optimal results. It's more than just a bowling ball, it's a tool to help you achieve your bowling goals. Prepare to raise your game. What we like. This ball features a gas mask core and a polyester cover stock for predictable performance. The Crown Factory Polish finish adds to its smooth reaction. If you prefer a classic design with a consistent roll, this is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.